Amplifier Experts presents a tour of our shop. Our first stop is the curve tracer. This is where we test vacuum tubes. We can test transconductance of each vacuum tube to select closely matched pairs for push-pull audio amplifiers. The filament voltage is closely monitored here. Here we are looking at the spectral output of a frequency modulation transmitter. We can simulate the parameters on this radio frequency digitally synthesized generator. The main test suite features an impedance bridge, various plug-in multifunction modules, an oscilloscope, and an audio analyzer. On the bench, we are testing this audio equalizer.